Are you searching for an easy and free way to create stunning videos? Look no farther, meet MiniTool MovieMaker. My name is Maddie, and in this video I'll walk you through how this tool can simplify video editing and help you bring your ideas to life. Let's get started. MiniTool MovieMaker is a free video editing software designed to help beginners and experienced creators edit videos with ease. Whether you're working on travel vlogs, tutorials, or personal projects, it offers essential tools like video trimming, transitions, and text effects in a user-friendly interface. Before we dive into the features, let's quickly go over how to download the app. Head to the official website moviemaker.minitool.com. On the homepage, click the download button to start the download. Follow the simple installation steps. Remember to only download software from official sources to ensure safety and avoid malware. Now let's explore the features that make MiniTool MovieMaker a fantastic choice. Drag and drop timeline. Easily arrange video clips, images, and audio. Templates for quick edits. Choose pre-designed templates to save time and still create stunning videos. I love this one. Transitions and effects. Add smooth transitions and filters to give your project a professional touch. Text customization. Create titles, captions, and credits with full control over fonts and colors.
Audio editing.
Adjust background music or sound effects seamlessly. And finally, export options. Save your videos in multiple formats including MP4 and GIF, all in high quality. Each feature is designed to simplify video creation, making it accessible to everyone. Here is a quick demonstration to show how simple it is to use MiniTool MovieMaker. Import media. Click Import to add videos, photos, or music to your project. Edit your clips. Drag files to the timeline, rearrange and trim as needed. Now, add effects. Choose transitions, filters, or text overlays from the menu. Finally, export your video. Export to save your project in your desired format. It's that simple. If you are enjoying MiniTool MovieMaker and want to unlock more features, let's talk about the available subscription plans. Free edition, monthly plan, annual plan, and ultimate plan. To check the latest offers or subscribe, visit their official pricing page. Whether you are new to video editing or a seasoned pro, MiniTool MovieMaker offers a balance of simplicity and functionality. Plus, it's free to download and use. If you want to try it, check out the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. See you soon in the next video.